Hi, I'm Bill Dube. Welcome to my noisy campground. If I make any mistakes during this video, it's because I haven't had my first cup of coffee. I figured, why not be realistic and do it like I would at a campground. As you can see, I have a heat source here, which is my Alux alcohol burner. And my preferred fuel for alcohol burners is heat. I find that that works the best. Water, I'm just using filtered water. You might carry a bottle of water with you. This is a Toaks titanium mug with obviously a Toaks lid too. What are some of the advantages of instant coffee? Well, it's easy to carry. You can get it in various forms, individual packages. These are really nice. And for longer trips, I'd recommend probably, if you're going to go with instant, to use a jar. And if you want to have more flavor to your coffee, here's French vanilla instant. And if you're a big creamer person, you can get instant creamer or bring along your own regular cream. Nice thing about the cup is you'll be able to see what the coffee looks like. Here's the spoon that you measure. This serves both as a measuring spoon and as a stirring. This is my Snow Peak titanium spork. A little bit onto the history of coffee. It came from Africa, believe it or not. Coffee, not instant coffee. Instant coffee, a little bit harder to find information on. There's one site that I'm going to put the link in below that has it as early as 1771 being developed. There's another reference that said 1890. I'm not sure what that reference was. It was a Google reference I got yesterday. And I don't, obviously I can't put in the Google because it just, one of those comes up on your page. So just think of this, I'm seeing steam off of this, so we're ready to make our instant coffee. What should we have this morning? Should we have Knorr Golden Dusk, Folgers Regular, this? I think I'm going to go with a Golden Dusk. Whoa, really steaming. So I think, let's see if I can pull this off of here without burning myself. Yes, I can. So we pour this in here. The instructions say 6 ounces of water. I always use 4 ounces, or I use less than they require. Disadvantages of instant, there aren't many of them, but one of the disadvantages, if you get it wet, you will lose your instant, obviously. So you want to have a container that's waterproof, either glass if you're careful, or metal with a screw top, or plastic for that matter. So there's what it looks like, nice and dark. This one doesn't have much foam to it. The classic roast did yesterday. Anyways, bon appetit. That's not a bad cup of coffee. That's my first cup this morning, so if there's any mistakes in this video, you'll find out why. And let's see, is there anything I am forgetting to tell you about instant coffee? I don't think so. So, I'm Bill Dube, and thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and put some comments below, and following me on YouTube. Thank you and have a great day. Next week, I am going to be doing Cowboy Coffee. It's the next one in the series. Cowboy Coffee was a coffee that we used a lot at canoe camp when I used to go up to northern Canada. So follow me next week. Bill Dube signing off.